Following the preparation for the upcoming third State of the Nation address, President Bongbong Marcos Jr. faced difficulty in establishing his speech. More from this report.
President Ferdinand Jr. said on Wednesday interview that he is already preparing the state of 2024. According to President Marcos, he will publicly disclose the status or progress of the projects he mentioned in his second report to the nation.
Ganun pa rin, ibabalita ko kung ano yung mga naging progress dun sa ating mga ginagawa. Yung ating mga binigkas nung nung mga unang SONA, ay i-report ko. Kasi ang SONA report sa bayan niya.
He also mentioned that his speech might cover the current living conditions of Filipinos in the country and the state of the economy. He added that it is also important to disclose the state of criminality in the country, including about the illegal drugs in the Philippines and other threats within the nation.
Ayan. At titignan din natin, siyempre, we will also report on the state of the nation in the sense that what are the lives of our people, how are they doing? Kung ano the economy, how is it doing? Criminality, how are we doing on that? How are we doing and the other problems, social problems that we're facing, such as drugs, such as the different threats that have been coming to us. Marami tayong mga issue na kailangan pag-usapan.
Marcos emphasized that they will try to report all the information and updates about the projects he mentioned in his second State of the Nation address within an hour, which the chief executive finds challenging for them.
Ginawa namin ay meron kaming ginawang brief, ganun kakapal, which is a report to the nation which goes into the detail. The detail that I cannot go into during the SONA dahil masyadong mahaba. Kaya we will provide that to, of course, the media.
Marcos' third State of the Nation address will set to happen on July 22, 2024. This is Griza Lopez for EuroTV News.